Introducing the 2011 Volvo XC90 T8, a sleek and powerful SUV that ticks all the boxes when it comes to comfort, safety and style. With a mileage of 107,431 kilometers, this black beauty boasts a 2-litre engine with petrol plug-in hybrid electric fuel type and automatic transmission. From adjustable seats to satellite navigation, heated seats to collision avoidance braking, this vehicle is loaded with features designed to make every journey a pleasure. Rest assured with alloy wheels, rear parking sensors, and lane departure warning keeping you safe on the road. And with a luxury trim, leather interior, and panoramic sunroof, you'll be cruising in style wherever you go. This Volvo XC90 T8 has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call us today or visit our website, spiritmotorgroup.ie, for more information. Drive away in luxury and comfort with the Volvo XC90 T8.